Your overall health can greatly influence your hand health and surgical outcomes. Take a trigger finger. Mechanically, we describe it as a tendon that catches because it's trying to glide through a tight pathway. That's accurate, but incomplete. A trigger finger is significantly more common in patients with diabetes and insulin resistance, around 20% in some studies, and harder to successfully treat without surgery. When blood sugar is chronically elevated, glucose binds to proteins in a process called glycation. These glycation products stiffen connective tissue. They thicken tendon sheaths. They promote inflammation. Frequently, tissues are reacting to the metabolic environment they live in.